And when we transition the linked status, and this parent ticket should be closed automatically. Close means supposed to move some another transition or something. Okay, so I'll go with this projects color. Suppose start work, I added a post function, I think. Yeah. So this automatically create a linked issue. I've selected this, and which is ignore predictions, and true or false you can select anything. And selected project, it is a resource management is there. And issue link blocks, selected issue type is task. So these many should be copied from here to a reporter to reporter, assignee to suppose address to description, summary, priority update. Publish it. Next, publish. Okay, so I'll create one ticket. New ticket. Something else select. Address select. Something script on I don't know this. I'm just enter some details and just assign to me as create. So my requirement is when I click on start work. So this is again break. Sorry. Hello. Okay. See, my requirement is when I click on start work, the new issue should be created in a test management project. So my project is test management, resource management. So this is resource management project. So here the same ticket should be create issues. Please. Yeah. So we'll see. I'm going to click on the start work. I'll click on start work. Yeah. So this linked ticket is created RM3. Okay. See here. This is the summary is summary. Reporter is reporter. Reporter is Nagaraju here. Reporter is Nagaraju here. And also priority blocker. So here also priority is a blocker. And next here, which is I added as address, I copied to here as description. So this automatically linked ticket is created successfully. See, this linking ticket will becomes mostly in organization. Suppose I have a one projects. Okay, so some development project I have. So once I development is done, so maybe the ticket should be go to a testing team. Okay, so some of the organization or some of the project peoples, they are maintain everything in a single projects, like analyze, design, development, and testing, and UAT, and implement in production or something. So this all labels they will use for one project only. Within the one project, they will select a different statuses, like in design, in testing, in development, in review or something like. So some people what they do, like if it is a major project or something, so what they'll do is they will create a different project for testing. Okay, suppose when I development is done, I just click on development is done transition. So what did happen, the same ticket will be created automatically in the testing project. So suppose they'll create a testing project. Suppose I've created Maruti development, Maruti testing or something. So when I click on this transition here, the same transition will be creating dev environment. Sorry, that testing projects. So the testing team will work on that project only. So suppose if the testing people will be close the ticket, okay, so the testing is done, so they will added a comment or something. So they added one information about the testing is done or something, they will change the transition. So like they'll click on this, they will click on done this transition. Then my requirement is when it is done, I have a one transition called something like testing or testing completed or something. So that should be go to automatically to there. So because of I can't come every time to check this link list status, right? So it is done or in progress or testing completed or something. So I'll put some linking. So when the link issue move to some status, my ticket also should be moved to some status. So like a status synchronization. So here my requirement is, suppose if I click and done this, I should go to pass. Pass means is a painted or something. So it should be changed to automatically. So my requirement is when I click on this done, this ticket should be passed. Okay. So when I click on done means I need to add a post function in this workflow. So this is the task workflow. Um, so here only one workflow is there. So my requirement is go to diagram and click on done transitions and go to post function. So when I click on post functions, here some default description is there. I'll give it this. Okay, so I'll add comment and so issue linking, create a linked issue is done. Fire event is not done. So we need to add, this is the link transition. Link transition means trigger a transition or related issues, link issue, parent, subtask, found JQ or something. So when the condition, suppose when what projects, what of condition we are selected here, based on that, the transition will be automatically moves. So my requirement, I select all, any linking should be automatically moved. And transitions status to pass, mine is it should be click on pass. So I'll select transition issue to pass. Pass color workflow and resolutions, I don't want to set any resolutions. So here it's asking one. So when I click on some done transition here, so do I need to copy any information from here to here? So that is asking. So suppose I have some label calls, I'll put it some ABC or something label. So my requirement is, suppose when I done this label should be copied to here. I'm just selecting one, so we can able to select in anything in real time. So I'll select label, label to label. This is like a automation type. Okay. So I'm just adding. So requirement is like trigger a transition, serial any ticket transition past, copy few labels to label. So what happened now? Publish it. If I done this, if I done this should be go to pass. We'll see. I'm just click on done. See, this is changed to painted automatically. So pass means is painted. So I just refreshing now. Something happened. This is a painted. Okay. See, what happened is this automatically transition means it is a post function means like it's nothing but automation type. So automation automatically created issues, automatically updated issues, any clear fields, copy fields, issue transition to some other person. So these all things we can able to achieve from these post functions. Like this is automation type. See. Okay. So next, the important is follow condition is not. This is all preconditions. Precondition means we have validations. That all validation will be comes to here again. Conditions, validations, some of the things will be comes to here. Same thing. Date window, date expressions, and field required, and some precondition JQL, a regular expression check, a user in a group, user in a role, user in a custom field, and value field. Something. So some to before the post function to be performed. So this the precondition will be checked first. So the same option will be comes to here. That's the same thing. So what we are added in a condition as post functions, the same will be comes to here. So here one of the most important things. This is the two. These two, what happened is, first we'll discuss like update issue field. So I just select update issue fields. I'm just select. So here issue field I have. So my requirement is, suppose when I click on these transitions, like this transition is like start work. So when I click on start work, this ticket should be automatically assigned to some person. Suppose I'll select in a create buttons. Okay, create place. This is the create transitions. In a create transitions, I will add a post function. This is the issue update. This is a within Jira one. So my requirement is, sorry, assigning. So I'll select some person's name directly here. So here we have options automate and unassigned, automatic, or this. I'll select some Bharat name. So when I create a ticket, this ticket always assigned to Bharat. So if I create a new ticket, this is assigned to Bharat. See here. Suppose I'll create a new ticket. So I'm not assigned to anyone here. I'm just click on create button. So 26 ticket, if I open, this ticket assigned to Bharat. See, so it means like how it works. I'm adding a push function to update a assignee field to Bharat automatically when issue has been created. So when issue is created, this will be automatically assigned to Bharat. So only particular name. So before we added like assigned to some particular persons, suppose like who are click on the transition, assigned to the transition persons, assigned to any group peoples, assigned to some particular person. Okay, so but here we can able to assign to some Bharat name. If you are selecting any name, that will be assigned to the person. Suppose here we have some field: description edit, enrollment, priority edit, resolutions, summary fields edit. So this will be field name, field value, something. So I'll select B or something. I'll just create a publish. So in a create transitions, what I added to like change a summary when I create. So I'll select anything. I'll select summary, something called break issue more than 60 speed or something. I'm not assigned to assign. I have removed it. So when I create it, the summary should be changed to BBBB or something. So we'll see how it works. I'll just create it. Once I create, I'll open this. See, this is automatically changed. So if you go with issue history, so this post function things will be not capture here anything. So this will be automatically changed. So if they come, if how it changed, so I added a post function to when issue has been created, the summary should be updated with a some value or something. So and like we can able to select a resolutions field. So I'll tell you first how the resolution will be work. Same, if you select anything here instead of summary, description, resolutions, priority, so anything will be automatically changed when issue has been created or updated. So where you added that in a which transition you are added that one, so that is automatically will be changed when the transition is reached to is the target status. Okay. Next, I'll do one thing. Issue has been created. Sub update any field I have. So if this update any field, the update field within the same issue or linking issue or something, so it is showing something. So um so I have some issue date. Okay. So issue date, I'll not select anything. But once the issue has been created, I want to capture is the current date. Current date means is that today is the 10 or something. So the current date and time should be captured automatically. So we'll see how it works. I'll select in a create transitions. I'll add a issue update. Okay, so I'll select some custom fields here. What is the custom field? Issue date. Issue update field value. So if I select any field value, something, not only this, if I select label, if I write some information, that will be automatically work. So this is the something. So if you see this document as well, so we can able to get it some information. So how it works. And so here, suppose we have see here current. a date. So if I write this, this will be captured automatically with my current date. So when the issue has been created, added a post functions like within the same issue, issue field, issue date, and value is current date. Okay, you just remember field is the field name. So suppose here I have some reporter. Reporter is a field, Nagaraj is a value. So any places, suppose we have a address. Address is a field. In that, if we have anything, so that is called as a values. Okay. So here, suppose color is a field. This is the values. Okay. Remember that. And value should be capture the current date. I will add and I will publish it. No. Yes. Okay. So now, if I create a ticket, okay, so I'll select some summary. I'm not selecting anything issue date. Okay, so I'll just create it. Once the ticket is created, can you see issue date is automatically picking 10th May 20. So today, 10th May, so 2020. So it is automatically selected with the current date. Okay, so this is the like post functions we have here, and we can able to change that many things we can able to change names or fields or enter status as well we can able to change. So mm, suppose if I'm selecting developer, suppose epic status in progress automatically updated this, suppose epic issue in epic in progress epic status, we can write it something like if I create a ticket, if I create a ticket, so automatically suppose subtask or linked issues anything we have, so that we are looking to change it, so with help of this as well we can able to change. So the exact this requirement will not, you will not get it, maybe you will get it or not, I don't know, but that is based on your organization how they are using or something. So but we need to know how it works. Okay, so little bit I'm showing here, that's why. And one thing here, in any ticket, if you observe status, we have received. In the down, we have your resolutions. Resolution means is what? Resolution is the most important field in Jira. That is, okay. Okay, I'll tell you. And mm, oh, validations. So in a validations, it's a regular expressions. Add. See, this is 0 to 9 first letter. If you take 0 to first letter, it will be accept 0 to 9. 0 to 9, if you want to, if you enter 0 to 9 second number, they can enter anything. Suppose if I selecting 0 to 9 some regular expressions, I'll select some field here. Suppose vehicle number scene. Okay, so I'll select vehicle number first, or else if you have any PAN number or something, so some particular format, or else the vehicle number suppose should be restricted to only 8 letters, 4 letters, 3 letters something. So they enter some wrong format, so that's why we can able to restrict it to enter this format or this number of lines, or suppose this number of words or something. So suppose if I'm selecting, so I have here many things. So suppose if I'm selecting this one, first I tell you, if I select A to Z, A or Z only it will be accept, remaining will not accept. So if I enter this iPhone symbol, it will be accept A to Z. A to Z is a caps one. Okay, suppose if I A to Z, First letter it will be work A to Z, but next letter they can enter anything. So there is no limit for it. So if you want to put A to Z limit anything, we have to enter this open bracket and close bracket. Suppose 2 or 3. I'll enter 3. So now it will be accept the first 3 letters A to Z. Only 3 letters it will be accept. So if you enter suppose more than 3, let us suppose fourth letter, if you enter anything, it will be not accepted. Okay. And also if you enter like A to Z star, like options A or B or something. So if I enter A comma B, only A or B will be accept. If I enter C, D, it will not accept it. Okay. The same thing, I can write it here one letters as well, 0 to 9, or else I'll enter suppose 2 comma 3, only 2 or 3 comma will be accept and another word will be not accepted. Okay. So in a real time we have something like, see, vehicle number also will take vehicle number. Suppose coming to mine is a KA. I need to enter KA must. I don't want to enter any other letters. So in that case, what we need to write it here, only K comma A. So these two only should be take. And next K, this is the two letters only. I can't enter K K A or something, right? K A K K. If I enter 3 times, it will may not accept. So I'll select only 2 letters. So it should be accept only 2 letters. Suppose next it is a letters. Letters is a suppose, it is a suppose any particular locations in a Mahatali. So suppose that is a 0 or 3. So I'll enter 0 or 3. 0 comma 3. Okay. So next, just 0 comma 3 should be 2 letters only, right? 2. Sorry, it is a 2 letters only. Okay. Suppose again the 2 letters which is A, Z, B, B, G, Z or something, anything. So that should be anything. So I'll select A to Z. A comma Z. Next, 4 letters. Okay. So 4 letter means I can select 0 to 9, any letter 0 to 9. That should be 4 letters only, right? 4 letters. You just check this. K comma A it will be accept KA and 2 letters only it will be accept. Next 0 comma 3. 0 3 it will be accept. Next 2. Okay. 2 letter will be accept. A to Z or 0 to 9 or 4. Something like. So we'll check this how it works. Oh yeah. Publish. No. Suppose I selected complete AP 12 AC 1 2 3 4. I just click on it. It is not accepting. Field vehicle number actual AP123 does not match the expression KA 2 letters 03 2 letters A to Z 0 to 9 4 letters. Something format they enter, but it is not accepting. Why? So because of this we are enter K to A only. If I enter K hyphen A something A hyphen K something, between that letter it will be accepted. Okay. So I need to enter same thing here. How I need to enter KA different. KA. Next, that is only 2 letters only. Suppose if I select again KA, I'll select next 0 3. 0 or 3 I need to enter. 0 or 3. AC 1 2 3 4 or something. Let's try. Same error we are getting. So because of KA 2 letters only should be select. Okay. So KA and 2 letters 0 3 2 letters A to Z 0 3 4 or something. We'll see. Still it is not accepted. Why? K one letter, A one letter, K or A. Yeah, sorry, my mistake. So we need to enter like this. This format is not correct. I'll tell you why. First letter should be K. That is only one letter. One letter. Next, only A. Here we will be accept. First letter K, one letter. Second letter A, one letter. Next, now if I enter vehicle number something, so it should not accept. Yes, and this tree only. K A 03 AC 1234. Create. Still it is not accepted. K first letter is fine. A first letter 01 3 one letter A to Z. No. Mm, if I enter something, should not accept. If I enters A 03 AC 123 A to C and 09123. Yeah, create. No. right? K one letter, right? 0 to 3, 1, 0 to 3, 1 letter, A to Z, 0 to 9. This one is we are not selecting correctly because of see only one letter we have selected here A to Z, and next letter also we need to select here A to Z. So that's why it is not working. I think is the first one only it will be working. Yeah. Second A to Z we need to give here. Next A to Z. A to Z. So this we missed it. Okay. We are giving two letters, but we have selected only one letter here. So next we are selecting here. Suppose K or A. Same I'll select A. A or A will be accepted. A or A will be accepted. And next 0, comma 3, which is also one letter. One letter. Copy. Paste. So if I take this one should not accept. If I select, it should be accept now. Yes. So this is working. So we can able to write it. We can able to select anything like this. So the expressions, any date format as well. Suppose one text format. Recently, I got one requirement. Suppose when creating, so we have some you think address. So in address, one date will we have that should be format same like 03. Suppose slash month. So like 0 12 03 12 only we need to select. If I selecting suppose 1192 or something, it should be reject. So my organization policy when they are entering in one date field, they should be enter only month and date. So we can able to write it here same 0 to 3 letters and slash anything month, right? So we can able to select anything month and 0 to 9 any letters. So this should be two letters only. Two letters means we'll select here like two letters. Next slash is must slash. So next 0 to 9 two letters. Same 0 to 9. So again should be two letters or something, right? So we can able to select two letters again. So this will be work here. So if I enter next anything slash 1192 or something, so it will be not accepted. So this format. And if you get suppose here I'll get it suppose 12 may instead of that DEC. Okay, so we can able to select in this case A to Z. First, if I want to enter first letters, must is the caps letter, we need to enter cap. Second is the small letters, we can enter A to Z. It is a small letter will be accepted. Again A to Z. Okay, this should be suppose three letters. If I want to if I restrict it to only three letters. So this format should be accept this one, right? So we can write, we can able to write some documentations or regular expression documents. So we can select here A to Z slash something. So these numbers, they are giving some info, some see here, some example they give 0 to 9 4 letters, hyphen 0 to 9 4 letters. So 1 2 3 4 hyphen 7 7 8 4 it will be accepted. 0 to 9 place you or something number means they needs to enter 34. We can enter like this name. So A to Z means like would allow an empty string or any lowercase words such as yellow. So when we are enter this, the star symbol would allow an empty string. So if you are not enter anything, it will be accepted, or any lowercase such as yellow, it will be accepted. And eight option A and A comma B means would allow a section of options, option A or option B or both it will be accept A or B. So if you enter these letters and if you are enter slash 2, so it will be accept both. So A and B, A, B or something, so it will be accept. So this is some documentations also they'll provide it, and we can go with this one, some example type. Okay. And the next what we have pending. Okay. So we are discussing about this resolutions field now. So what is this resolutions actually in organizations? Suppose I just click on the start work and then I'll pause it. Okay. So I completed this paused, color is done. So I approved means is a delivered. So is a delivered means it is I completed this task. Okay. Now we have some filters. The filter will be comes to is the next level. But suppose this is resolution is still unresolved only. Unresolved means it will be in a in a Jira. So we know it is the delivery means is the done transitions. Done transition means I completed the task. I know that, but Jira how to capture that? I have delivery completed done is the many status I have two things. So my project I'll put it some end status is different. Some another project people end status they'll put its different name, so that we know this is the completed. But Jira, how to know Jira that is completed? I have in my organization 4,000 people are working. Suppose we have a 800 projects. In a 800 project, each end status is different. Okay, suppose I select delivered, some other person is selected like completed, some other person is done. Okay, fixed, some person is write it as a fixed. So this many transitions we have like end, suppose cancelled, rejected. Okay, this is all is the end status. So when it is go to end status, how Jira capture that is the end status? Suppose in the previous status I have resolved and closed. In the same workflow I have resolved, suppose open, in progress, resolved, closed. Okay, so resolve means I've resolved that things, but it is still not closed because of I'm not get update from client or something. So once I get update, I will close that ticket. But Jira, how to know which is the end status? Or I have that here two transitions. So two transitions means I have painted or delivered. So painted is the end point or deliver is the end point. The Jira is no right that. So Jira needs to capture something. This is we need to tell Jira something. This is the end point type. So how we need to tell that? That is the resolution field. So still resolution is equal to unresolved. This ticket is the open only. Jira will calculate it as this is the open ticket only. Or else if you go with delivery, you go with painted, with complete, rejected or anything. Okay, Jira will calculate it based on this resolution fields. If resolution is unresolved, the Jira will be calculated as this is the open ticket only. So when you set resolved, the status is the any status, the Jira will be calculated as this is the resolved one. So if you go with something like here issues option we have. So after projects we have something called issues. In a issues, if you click on search issues or something, so you will get some options left side something. Okay, so this is the filter. If I click on my open tickets, so this will becomes to assign is equal to current job. This is the advanced JQL filter. I'll tell you how to write this filter next. So first of all, I'll select here open issues. Open issues means how it is calculated. Resolution is equal to unresolved, order by priority. So you just calculate this. Remove this all is no need. So resolution is equal to unresolved 45. But see here, my ticket is delivered. This is painted. Suppose this is a close something. See different statuses in progress something. This all comes to open tickets only, but my ticket is delivered, right? This is my feeling, this is closed. So Jira will be calculated as open tickets only based on resolution. Okay, so when in any places when they click on end status something, they will select a resolution field is must, either that is automatic reject or they will select some drop down value. So I'll show you that how the resolution will be work or something. And you just remember it, if I add a transition from in progress to open review or something, it is accepting that day. Okay, so but I'll select I'll select here post functions, add post functions, update field. I'll select this is the automatic type, so I'll select here resolutions. Resolutions have none, done, won't do, duplicate, cannot proceed and decline. Okay, suppose I don't have here, suppose fixed, I want suppose fixed, suppose own fixed. Okay, so I want some extra options here. So how we need to add a custom resolutions. Okay, so when you go with issues, admin console issues, we have, this is the system field, okay, not a custom field. This you can find it here as a resolutions. So we completed this priority and priority schemes. Time tracking, issue linking is there, and issues and resolution status and resolutions we have here. So what is the status? I'll tell you these three. Issue linking means block, clones, duplicate, problem, link, this coming. So if I click on here link, okay, so this linking will become. So I want something like clone, duplicate by, case by relates to undi, and I want something called as a tested by. Okay, so I want some custom issue linking. How I need to add? So I need to go to back from this place. I need to add here. Suppose I'll select, oh sorry, test. I'll select test, tested by. I will add. If I click on sorry, if I click on now issue linking, link issue, see test and tested by. Suppose like case is case by. So everything here, test, tested by, two options is coming here. So that added in a backend. So to add any custom issue linking, we need to add from this place. Okay, issue linking. Okay, so the requirement they will they'll ask you, suppose I'm trying to link the ticket with my another linking ticket, but I don't have that relation is proper relation name here. Could you please add the proper relation name here? Oh yes, we'll add it. So Jira administrator team will go to admin console. They needs to go issue linking, and we can able to add it. But remember one thing: if you add any linking here, that will be affected to entire Jira. Entire Jira means, suppose only Maruti project person is asked you to, I want this test and tested by. And if I click on suppose resource management, if you go there, link ticket, the same will become here as well. So because of this, linking is a system field. So not, we cannot restrict based on projects. If Maruti person will be asked, that will be available, that will be available to select all projects. Okay, so this is the linking options we can able to add it. Next option, status. This is nothing. In our creating workflow time, if you are added any new status, the same status will be comes to here automatically. Okay, so to do, in progress, in this is all categories, this is all names, this is associated workflows, order, action or something. Okay, so suppose if anyone come to your end and they will ask you to, I want to rename this status, you just come here and check the name. Status name is associated to n number of workflows. Suppose showroom tested is two workflows, this is one workflow. Declined is still associated to one workflow. We can able to edit this. Only this project people will be comes to you, ask, I want to select this declined to not available or something, so we can able to edit it because of this associated one workflow only. But if you edit this, suppose in progress, if you edit, this will be affected to all statuses. So something we can able to add the status here. And next thing is resolution. So what we are talking now, so this is the resolutions. It's coming like done, won't do, duplicate, cannot decline an option something. So the same option will become here. So I just select here fixed, and I'll select, I select suppose rejected, add. So fixed resolutions previous is not there here, fixed and rejected. So I'll refresh this. I'll select resolutions. See, fixed and rejected is key. So I'll select something called fixed. I will add it. Okay. So I'll publish no. Okay. So it means like I fixed one thing, like when I click on delivered, it is a fixed. So if I go anywhere now, if I open some previous ticket 22, sorry, I'll select marketing. Yeah. If I click on approve now, this resolution should be select as a fixed automatically. Just click on approve. See, fixed. So now this will not come here. The Maruti project is not coming here. Is a deliver. This is the 30, but this is a 21 is not come. 21 is not come. So 20, 20, 22 only. 21 will not come because of this is not open ticket now. Resolution is equal to unresolved only it will become. Suppose if I select here fixed, resolution is equal to fixed. See, 21 ticket is coming. So this is the resolution is equal to fixed. If you click on done status as well, suppose done its category is the done. So all done will become. So you will confuse it if you go more. So just focus on these resolutions now. Okay. So resolution means when the resolution is set only, Jira will collect as a this is the resolve ticket. Until it will be take is the empty. This will be take calculated as a open status only. But my requirement is I want to select a custom one, so I don't want to fix one thing. So if I click on any ticket, it will be automatically comes to like fixed only, right? Because of purpose, select color. If I click on approved, it is fixed, but I have not fixed this. I delivered it, but without fixed, I'll provide to the persons. Okay, so but I want to select here resolution is equal to different one, like which is rejected, which is won't fix, which is category. So I want to differentiate it, right? So every status is delivered, but in the delivered, suppose I've delivered 10 cars. In a 10 cars, how many cars I fixed? How many cars I won't fixed? How many I can't proceed it? How many I delivered? Suppose I've rejected that car. Suppose that is an old car. I rejected that. I need to know the categories wise. Okay, the state, the end thing is delivery is the same, but with reason and which reason I delivered that. I completed our work, but what is the status? What is the resolution that? Okay, I rejected you, but with reason. Okay, so that the reason is the resolution fields in Jira. So I don't want to fix this. I want to select a custom like I want to select anything, so I want that option. So how we'll get that information? So coming to nothing, we need to add a one screen. In that screen we need to add resolutions fields. So when I click on deliver, the screen will be pop up there. I can see the resolutions field. I can select anything. If I select some anything, so it will be automatically fix the with that resolutions. Okay, so I'll show you out by default as well. If you go with any screen, okay, if you go with screen, you will find something resolutions field, I think. Okay, see, resolve issue screen. So this is the default screen it is associated now. Allow to set resolution, change fixed version and assign an issue. So this is the default one. You can select it anywhere is. This is the field we have: resolution, fixed versions, assign log. So by default this screen will be available. Many people they will use this screen, or else we can use it. I will create some new one. So I'll select resolutions, resolution screen, resolution screen. I'll select add. Okay, so in a field you just select resolutions. The resolution is a system field. It will be not come here. If you click on custom field, in a custom field, suppose if you select this is the resolutions, sorry, a time to resolution, time to close after resolution will become, but a resolutions field is not come here because of this is not as custom field, is a system field. If you select summary as well, it will not come. If you select descriptions, will not come. If you select label, is not come. If you select assigning, will not come. If you select reporter, will not come because of this is all is a reporter, assigning, voter, watches, priority, labels, type. Okay, summary, descriptions, attachments. This is all also a system field. If you're not select while creating, I'm not selecting any description, but it will become. I'm not selecting any priority as well. It will become. I'll not select any assignee. It will become because of this is the system UI. Okay, it will be automatically comes. Okay, so I will add the screen is created. Suppose resolutions. I created the resolution screen. The screen I can able to select this place. I'll just click on edit. So next, you just click on delivered, click on post functions, fixed. I'll remove this fixed now. And what I need to do? Oh, no. Just when you click on here, you will get these options called edit. Okay, to add screens, we need to click on edit, and here screen option will become, and rename name option will also will become. Okay, so I will select here resolved screen, resolution screen. Yeah, so resolution screen, save it. Okay, and then publish. No, publish. Okay, so now if I comes to any ticket, it's all delivered. Ah, I see. So suppose this Maruti 23 now is a pass. Suppose it is now in work. I'll click on pass. So now what happen? What should happen? Like suppose if I click on approve, the screen should be pop up. It should become resolution field. I'll click on it. The screen will be pop up. Here I can select won't do, done, duplicate, and cannot proceed. I decline. So I'll click on decline. So it will be automatically check with, I mean, automatically set with declined only. This is my custom one, so I can able to select anything, right? So if you go with something more, and this is the color only, start work, I'll select this pass. Suppose black color, I'll select pass. If I click on approve, the screen will become. I'll select here fixed one. This is I fix this fixed. If I select different one, I'll select something called different, which is start work, and I'll select pass, and I'll select approved. I'll select something like cannot proceed. Done. So it is characterized as a cannot proceed. Okay. I can easily filter here. Resolution is equal to fixed. How many fixed? Prefixed. How many cannot proceed? One. Test resources at 29 cannot proceed. How many I like decline? How many I decline? One electric, and these are 23. I have declined it. So we can, this is all thing is delivery. Suppose if I select delivery here, that is a different one. I'll explain you later. This is clear how this is work. This next topic is this one only. I select suppose delivered. I select is delivered. So how many I delivered? I've delivered is the 9 tickets I delivered. But the reason, okay, so the reason is this is the resolutions, right? So this I've select, I've delivered this 9. This is unresolved. This cannot proceed. Decline, fixed, unresolved, unresolved, fixed, unresolved. So unresolved means still it is calculated as a like Jira will calculate as a this is still is a open ticket only. If I click on by default, suppose open demand, open tickets, this delivery is coming, this delivery is coming, this delivery is coming, deliver. This is open ticket. So this type resolution they will in organizations level, two types they will use it. Suppose they can fix something, and they can fix, they can have an option to select their self. Suppose some statuses, like suppose I have cancelled status. So when I go with cancelled status, there is no reason. So just I cancelled it. They'll select some resolution is equal to cancelled only. Okay. Coming to different one, suppose rejected. I have rejected. Okay. Suppose I've rejected means they'll select is a rejected one. But they, that is based on a project manager request. So they will tell you like when I go with this status, I want to resolution is fixed. Region is for a fixed one called as a done, own, fix or something. So they want the particular name. Okay, there is no change. Some status, suppose called as a delivery time. So I want to select some field, some resolution I need to select. Okay, so how we need to achieve that? Okay, to add some screen, we'll give some options. Okay, so here one more thing. I'll just click on, suppose what is that, received. I'll click on start work. I'll click on pass. Okay, then I'll select approved. Here coming. See, now I'm using is a four, it's a test project. I have a four resolutions, right? A four or five, suppose one, two, three, seven resolutions have. But coming to organizations, we have a lots of, maybe chance to we have a more resolutions like 20, 30, 40 resolutions. Suppose each project persons will ask you to add resolutions, but when I'm adding this resolution here, 20 resolution will become, because of this all resolution will be comes from this resolution place. Okay, if it's rejected, this I rejected update. So done, undo, duplicate, fix, rejected, anywhere it will become a same thing. Suppose I'll select cancel, add. The same cancel will come again here. If I click on approved, cancel is coming. If any project the same will become. If you have a 21, it will become the 22 there. Okay. Why the all will becomes, this is not a any custom one to select the project or something. This is the system default one. We can give this resolutions options to select resolution option to all, where you select where you add that resolution field, this all fields will become by default. So before some previous versions as well, so many they are facing some problem, like they're asked you to how we need to restrict that something like. Okay, but we have one options to restrict it based on projects or based on transitions. That is called as a, if you go with a workflow, if you click on this delivery workflow, okay, edit, and here you can able to select a properties. So we are discussing still now is a conditions and validations and post function, but here we have your options called a properties. So in a properties, the property key we need to add, the suppose property value we need to add it. So to know that, you don't worry about, so Atlassian team, they will provide all information is a proper, like if you select workflow properties or something, properties in Jira. So I'll select this, maybe is right one. Yeah. No. This one, sorry. Oh, this one, yeah, will select. Okay. So this is the link. So they are available in a Jira workflow properties. We have something called here Jira of field resolution exclude and resolution include. So exclude include means what? Suppose I have a 40 resolutions. Okay. When I have a 40 resolutions, okay. No, no, no. Show that. Okay. Suppose you have a 40 resolutions. 40 resolutions. In a 40 resolutions, you don't want only 5. It means 35 you want, right? 35 you want, only 5 you don't want. Okay. So you just exclude this 5. Exclude means in a 40 I'm excluding that 5. But coming to next step, you have a resolution is 40. Okay. In a 40 you want only 5. Okay. 35 also, suppose you want, so suppose here you can see in a 40 you want 5 only, so 35 you don't want. Okay, so here 35 you want, that exclude 5 you don't want, is not related to my project or something, I don't want 5. It means like when you have a 40 resolution, you just include 5. Include 5 means this 35 will not come. Okay, so when you have a 40, suppose you don't want a 50, suppose you want 35, now you cannot add a include option. So when you add include, you need to add this 35 like IDs. So instead of that, you can use the exclude. Okay, include 5, exclude 5. When you add a include 5, only 5 will become. When you exclude 5, except that 5, all will become. So this is the difference, exclude and include. So suppose I'll select include first. So how I need to write? Just copy this. This is the name. This is the value. So name property key, you just paste it here. Jira dot field dot resolution dot include. So include what I need to include. Suppose we'll think something. When I click on approve, I want only fixed duplicate. I want only fixed duplicate. So what is that IDs we need to enter? Okay, nothing, will get it IDs easily. Go to your admin console and just click on resolutions. Just click on what you want. I want fixed first, right? So just click on edit fixed one. When you edit in a URL, you will get some ID. Lost these digits is the ID. If you have one, if you have two, that is also ID only. After equal to, what is the number? That is called as a this field ID. Okay, just come here, paste it that ID here. Next, comma, next, cancel it. And what I need to select is the duplicate. Duplicate means edit 10002 is the ID. Copy and paste. I'm including these two only, right? Just add, right? I'll go back, I'll publish it, click on no, yes. So now if I click on approved now, I need to get resolutions, I need to get C2 only. So resolutions, duplicate and fixed only will become. Right? See, maximum in organizations as well, this option will, they don't know actually. So recently, once when I'm attending interview, one person is asked me one questions. We have a field in Jira, okay, we cannot edit that values. We cannot restricted that values. She's asking that question to me. I'm just thinking all. So we can add a summary, we can add it anything, resolutions, thinking, labels, assign a report or anything. So she is told me like one, this is a system field. In a system field, we can't edit that. We can't restrict it. I'm just thinking lots of time. Then I said, I don't know that. I think we can able to edit all fields. Then what she said like, no, we can't restrict a resolutions field values. Okay, so where you use the resolutions, that all values will become. Then I told her, no, we can able to restrict that with help of workflow transition, with help of workflow properties, we can able to edit it. We can able to restrict it. So we have the keys and values, and we can able to write it that is a listeners, some JavaScript language type. Jira dot field dot resolutions dot include and exclude. So if you want to only 2 or 3, we just include it. You can enter that IDs. That fields only will become. Okay, then she's realized that okay, this is a process. This is 100% interview question in the SAP lab. So my previous student, where when they go interview with the SAP lab, they will select this question is a mandatory. Okay, so they'll ask these questions because of most of the people don't know these things. So they will, everyone focus things like condition validation post function, but we have some more options here. Suppose Jira submit options, that title, some editable true or false, and Jira permissions things, and oops was sequence. I'll tell you something here. The Jira dot issue dot editable. Lunch. Okay. So first I'll tell you these things. What about these? What is this fields? Jira issue dot editable. Yeah. So something I delivered one field, right? I'm checking something received, delivered. Okay. So I have this field, this delivery. I reach this delivery status, but still I can able to edit it, right? So some people they edit it. I done that work, but the people edit the ticket and they comes to me again. So this I want some extra one. They are added here. They will reopen the ticket. So still this is not resolved. They'll misuse the assignee because of now I want some work. So I want suppose color issue I have a yellow. The yellow painted is done. But once she come back, she's edited. No, this is not yellow. This is black, and start work again. Suppose he comes to again one thing, different things, different. But when I done, when I informed him, when I completed the task, he can able to edit this field. Suppose so we can able to restrict these edit options when the particulars when the ticket is reached to particular status. Okay, so before what where we are added in the here in the transitions places. I'm added properties called zero resolution include or something. Two only added. The two will be power. These are transition because of I want the required when I click on that. But here my requirement is when I reach the status. Okay, so same thing when you click on delivered, we need to add it delivered. So when you click on delivered, so these properties will become. Okay, this is the transitions options. This is the status options. Okay, so status only one option we have, but transition we have lots of. Because of when I click on these, when I click on that, we are expecting some I mean automations, conditions, something. But coming to deliver only one. So just add status once because of we reach the status. We are not add any. We are not clicking any transitions. Okay. So just come here. Jira issue dot editable false. I'll enter false first. False means editable. True means we can able to edit it. Editable false means we cannot able to edit, right? Editable true means it will be worked. Now if refresh this, see we cannot able to edit ticket when the ticket is reached to delivery status. We cannot edit that. So it is now checking problem phone or something. No, what is that field received? Just verify color painted. So when I click on approved, duplicate, approved, it cannot able to edit. Edit will be go off because of when I added one a that code type. You can just think I added a properties value, the issue dot field, the Jira dot field issue. I mean, sorry, what is that? Jira issue dot editable false to or false. So this is that one. Sorry. So this is a condition. Jira dot issue dot editable false, and we can select one thing here. Jira dot issue dot approve no. Jira dot issue dot editable no. Jira dot So we have one options here to edit this one as well. We can write it that. And next option, see this is Jira dot issue dot editable true or false. Based on that, it will be work. But I have some requirement. Only particular people should be edit. Like a Jira admin people should be edit Jira team. So we can write it something called like this. Jira dot permission dot edit dot group equal to Jira administrators. We can write it like this. Group peoples can able to edit it, copy. We can add it group peoples. We can add our group Jira administrator. So only Jira administrator peoples can able to edit it. So we can write it. Suppose manage group here, and we select something group. Sorry, 1 second, guys. Mm, Okay, so I'll select suppose Jira administrator here. So only Jira admins like two people so only edit. So I'll enter this, add. I'll remove this false. Come here, publish. Click on no, publish. Refresh. I can able to edit because of I'm the Jira admin person. Okay, so who are not Jira admin person, so they cannot able to. Only Jira.permission.edit group Jira admins. Only Jira admin persons can able to edit it. So that is the options that. Okay. So next, so group one, group two, or something like this is a oops bow sequence. This option will not come more places. Um, Sorry, important oops bow sequence as well. The Usber sequence last one, how it works, like see, suppose when I have an open status or something, suppose I'm painted. So first approve is coming, reject, next is reject is coming. So I want to arrange this, or reject I want this place, and approve I want this place, something. So this is the order wise we can like when they're expecting order wise, if they want anything, so we can able to arrange it. Suppose problem font first is coming, problem font is next, it is coming. I want this to start, and again I want this transition to next. So we can able to transition places something. Whose per sequence is the one or two something. If you click on this, the whose per sequence, we need to add one or two or something. Based on that, that will be work something. So first we need to add the toolbar sequence here. This is something more, but it will not come more place, more time it will not come. So in my 6 years experience, I've not get this one, because of the people will don't know, they'll not ask you I want this. If it is any places is fine there. So they want to click here, they will go to the status. If they click on here, they will go to the status, there is no problem. So that's why this option will not come more times. The next thing here, one thing we have a options like transition places, triggers. Triggers is nothing but to link with a like some continuous integration tools. Suppose I'll tell you one scenario. Thing is like when the project is come, the new project will become, that will be come to through like documentations, right? So that is Atlassian. We have a one tool in Atlassian that is called as a Confluence. So next is Jira. So based on the documentation, they will create a task. They will create story task or something to manager will store some data in a Confluence, and based on that data, you will create a Jira tickets. Okay. So Jira ticket, he created a Jira ticket and he'll assign to the like some developer. What developer will do? he is open some Eclipse or IDP, he will develop some code. Okay, so I developed that code, but where I need to put that code? Okay, so I developed it. How I need to send to my manager, right? Suppose if I send to through mail or something, okay, or else if I put somewhere some tool also we are using, there will pasted all that code. Okay, so that in a Atlassian as well, we have a one tool that is called as a Bitbucket. Bitbucket is a code repository. Code repository means we can able to review the code there. Okay, so what how they needs to move the code to there? They will use some Git or GitHub. With help of Git or GitHub, so they will push code to a repo like Bitbucket. So Bitbucket is a code repository. So here we have a three tools. One is a Confluence is a data storage. Next is a Jira is a ticketing tool or tracking. Next, Bitbucket is a code repository. We can review code there. So what I want, if after 1 year, okay, if I open Confluence documentation, I need to know what is the Jira ticket for this purpose and where is the code for this. I need to complete the tracking. Suppose if I open a Jira ticket, I open a Jira ticket, and from where I created this ticket, I want the Confluence page here, and I want where is this code. So I can access Confluence page. I can read the documentation. Oh, this is the things they are expecting. So based on that, this ticket is created. But where is this code? Who is developed? Okay, so the person where you put. So we can link with the triggers as well. Triggers means we can link with that code to this ticket. Okay, so if I open this ticket, I'll see the documentation, I'll see that like a code. If I open Bitbucket, I can able to see code, but which based on which purpose the code got delivered, it can capture there as a Jira ticket. So this is completely is a one flow, like Atlassian tools, they develop step by step linking as well. If you are any place, you can capture all things. So in the last class, I'll tell you that Confluence, how to integrate it, this, how to will get that information to here. I'll tell you that. And repository also same thing, it will be work. So that is option only this. Okay. Suppose I'll push the code to there. So without push the code, I can't click on delivery or something, right? So when I'm in progress or checking or something in review or suppose last status, I will push the code to a Bitbucket. So where it is in a Bitbucket, when I click on this transition or something, the trigger will be automatically linked with that. So this is the only a trigger event that initiated automatic transition in the Jira ticket. Example, trigger include create a pull request. The request is code code review below. Not sure where it is start. This is the documentation connect to Bitbucket, Stash, Fisheye, Crucible. This is all is a code repositories. Okay. So this task will be automatically linked to there. So we don't have any Bitbucket instant here to link it. So Bitbucket like this is code we have here. Okay. So that code where we are added that code are completely, it will be linked with a Jira ticket automatically. Okay. So this is the Bitbucket tool. So they can able to maintain something. So I have in my personal Bitbucket where I'm maintaining my like Jira development. This is called bitbucket.org slash Nagraj. So if you click this is the Bitbucket. It looks like this. So I have some code here. This is my all codes, which is helpful for development, script runner development. If you want, you can access this. You will get the same code, and you just able to access this, and you can read this code. So these simple codes we have written here. Some of the codes is very big. So I've written these codes. This is related to complete is a development. So development perspective. So I've delivered this. I've written these codes. So what I'm telling like here. So I can able to, so when I can able to paste it my code here. This is all my project and called suppose is the Maruti projects. Okay, this is my name is now is Nagaraj Reddy Groovy script. So Nagaraj Reddy suppose Maruti. So all people can able to paste it that here, but we can able to link it out. So if you open, so I can able to show this option, something master options like the full commit. I can able to create a, so when we link with these things to Jira, so we'll get these options to linking option, Jira linking. So I can able to click on Jira linking here, and from Jira as well, we can able to link this automatically. It's a Bitbucket, so same it will be linked to there automatically. So I can get it the same. So this related, this ticket code is here, something. So if I click, if I open here, I can able to see Jira ticket here, something. So after linking, after the code, it is linking done. Okay, so all in a final, if you want, I'll help you on this Bitbucket creation and setup as well. But here we covered only Jira and Confluence. And if you want to try yourself Bitbucket as well, I will help you. And after Bitbucket as well, Bitbucket is the only code, but I need to know that code is written correctly or not, right? The next thing is the Bamboo. So Bamboo is the build tool. So in the build tool, we can able to push code from Bitbucket to Bamboo. The Bamboo automatically is build tool. Suppose if you write in one code, where you test, suppose you write Eclipse, Eclipse place or IDBI intelligence something. So you can write code there and you just run it manually. Then the code will become success or failed. The result will become. But I want automatic. So I'm the manager of suppose 20 people. The 20 people send code to me. I need to test it each and every code. I need to copy, I need to paste somewhere, I need to run it. I don't want that way. So when the developer pushes the code to Bitbucket, the code will become to Bitbucket. So I can able to integrate it with Bitbucket and Bamboo. So Bamboo is a build tool. So when my people will push the code, that should be I can add that automation that automatically the code will be moved to Bamboo. It will be automatically build it. It will be give result. The result Bamboo automatically link with Jira, and we can able to capture here. What is the Confluence page? Is the documentation? Where is the code? And how many times the build is failed? Build is failed means like when I suppose I'm in a Jira ticket, when I push the code to Bitbucket, the code will be automatically moved to Bitbucket to Bamboo. Bamboo is an automatically build tool. Your code will be built automatically, and the same uh, result will be comes to Jira ticket again. So your build is failed since it is the some something problem in your code. So you just look into again. So you will look into again at that code and you can push it. So how many times the build is failed? How many times build is success? So we can able to get it all information in the same place. So that's why this Jira is a more important, more things. Jira from Jira we can able to integrate it with any tools. Like you want to link with Salesforce, you want link with Outlook, you want link with any Google, you want link with some service Nova. So anything Jira will be accept linking. And if you use Atlas and tools, this complete pipeline will be work exactly. The documentation is a tracking, is a code tracking or build. So we can able to link with that all pipelines and it will be work. I'll give you some complete view type that. So if we have a board, I can give you some diagrams and I can show you. But here something difficult. So coming to these triggers is the that. So when I click on it, so I can able to manually link it, or else when I click on this start bar, this will be automatically linking with if I added a triggers. Okay, so that is the option here asking connect to Bitbucket, Stash, Fisheye, Crucible. Okay, so I'll tell you after later. I'll tell you this clearly. Some things clear, some picture wise I'll give you. And yes. Mhm. Right. So the condition is done. Validations, validator or validations. Validation means we can see the transition, but until the requirement satisfy, cannot move target status. Example, we can add hmm, date compare, date expression. Something expression. Hmm. So validation means like we can see the transition, but until the requirement will satisfy, we cannot move target status. So we can add a date comparisons, date compare, date expressions, field expression examples. So post function means it's like a automations. Once you reach the transition, you want to perform anything automatically. Once you reach the transition, once you reach the status, you want to perform anything automatically with help of post functions. We can example, we can add ticket assigned to current user or reporter or clear field, copy field, create a linked tickets, link issue, transition, change. If you want, you can add it more. Okay. Next properties, we can include or exclude a this is the transition properties, something. This is a very important questions while interview. If you attend 10 interviews, they'll ask these questions in a 9 or 8 interviews. 8 or 9 interviews, they'll ask these questions definitely. Okay, so everything is easy compared to this. Okay, so pause yours. Okay, guys. So wait, I'll pause.